layo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. I always believe that love is the essence of life because that is a wonderful feeling that we can find in the heart of everyone. To the simplest and to the highest man's crowns here in earth. So really, I'm Patsamable. And yes, that is real. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent 21 years old listener. And I am very proud and humble because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multipex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way with the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. My name is Miss Loisa Andalio. And I always believe, si Bis Amar Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 16. Mark my number because I will give you the good show and a night that you should never, ever forget. Thank you.
Judges, that is Karen Montesilio, candidate number 16. Your score, please.
9, 9.5, 9, 9.5, 9.5, 9.5, 9.5, 9.5.
Now we call on the stage, Queen number 17.
Puro ang tataas. Dapat ko siya tumaan. Bata.
Di pinipili. Love! matagal.